All right, for Wednesday, April 29th, we're going to work on IXL K3, and it's working on choosing evidence to support a claim. So, like in this example, it's going to give you a claim, public transportation should be free, and then you're going to select which piece of evidence best supports why public transportation should be free. Is it several cities around the world have experimented with free public transportation but eventually had to bring back fares? Or free public transportation would encourage more people to ride buses and trains, which cause less pollution than cars do? So, your best answer on this one would be the second choice. The free public transportation would encourage that supports the claim that public transportation should be free. Again, pretty easy one. You guys work for 20-25 minutes, but you should be able to get to 80-90% pretty easily, and you're just screenshot and send those back in to me. We'll be doing something different tomorrow. Definitely going to have another quiz looking at argument of essay, as we're going to probably move on after this week to something different. So it'll be kind of a final assessment to make sure you guys have everything that you're going to need for when you go into 8th grade and you're writing argument essays.